Welcome to another Weiss-Johnson.com product video. Today we have an air conditioner from Daikin. This is the Daikin DX16SA whole house air conditioner. When properly matched and installed, this air conditioner offers up to 16 SEER energy efficiency performance. This air conditioner features a high efficiency scroll compressor, a single speed condenser fan motor, a 5mm refrigeration grade premium copper tubing and aluminum fin condenser coil, a factory installed inline filter dryer, an acoustically engineered sound control blanket for quiet operation, a heavy gauge galvanized steel cabinet with sound control top, and a baked enamel finish that protects the system from the elements. It also includes Copeland CoreSense Advanced Diagnostics that monitors the system for trouble spots, as well as being both AHRI certified and ETL listed. This air conditioner is perfect for homes from 1,200 to 3,400 square feet. It also includes a 6-year unit replacement warranty, as well as a 12-year parts limited warranty when registered online within 60 days of installation. Additional requirements for annual maintenance are required for the unit replacement limited warranty. Furthermore, Daikin is a leading innovator and worldwide provider of advanced high-quality air conditioning and heating solutions. With over 90 years of operation and millions of systems sold, Daikin is a brand you can trust to cool your home when you need it the most. Interested in this air conditioner? Weiss-Johnson works hand in hand with Enercare to provide the best leasing opportunities for those looking to lease their next major home comfort purchase. Leasing offers low monthly pricing that is affordable for everyone. Visit Weiss-Johnson.com today for more details. With Enercare, a standard lease has no upfront costs and zero costs for parts and labor. There is no cost for equipment replacement, and provides peace of mind that your home will have a reliable air conditioning system for years to come. Give us a call today and we can be installing you this new air conditioner within the next 48 hours. Thank you for watching our latest product video. Be sure to visit us at Weiss-Johnson.com to discover the great work our large family of companies has been doing since 1977.
Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. We're proud to be local and family owned, striving to bring you a comfortable home. Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa.